As you can probably tell from the whiny dog, we've got a cheese tasting to do. And we've got two cheeses here that have been maturing, not for as long as they could have to make them the best, but we've run out of patience. And the first one is a Wensleydale. We've done this before. This one is now 3 months old, a bit over 3 months. So we'll be chopping that in half and tasting it, vacuum packing most of it back into the cheese cave so it can mature a bit more. And we know we generally really like this one, don't we, Ruth? We do like this one. More interestingly is our natural rind Fontina cheese. This is not my first attempt at a natural rind. We did provolone, which had an oiled natural rind, and I think next time I will actually oil this as well. So this one is at its minimum. It's 2 months old, maybe 3, 2.5, 3 months old. We should really leave it for at least 3 months, heading into 6. So again, I am going to open this up, we're going to taste it, and then we're going to put the bulk of it back for further aging after vacuum sealing it. And I will actually oil the rind a little bit before we do that. So let's peel off our marker and put the dog out of his misery and give him a taste. Here we go. Oh, nice firm cheese. Oh, it's a struggle. One of these days I should get a proper cheese cutter. And here we go. Are we ready? Look at that. Oh, beautiful cheese smell to it. What do you reckon? Smell good? Yeah. Let's chop a little bit off. Now the texture of this is nice and firm. Not too many big bubbles in it. And look at that, the way it crumbles. Well, it doesn't crumble, but the way it breaks. Beautiful texture to it. And now for the key. Firm. Oh, that is a really good cheese. It is, trust me. Too good for you. No, it's not. Come around here. That is really, oh, I do like that. This is the best Wensleydale ever. No. Well done. Uncoordinated dog. What's the camera person think?
Oh, beautiful.
I don't know what we did differently here. Maybe we're just getting better at making it, but...
Beautiful texture.
That's a mild, because it's still fairly young. Crumbly, dry, creamy. Is there any nutty taste to it, do you think? Not really.
I wouldn't say it's nutty, it's very creamy. Really, really good.
Yeah, I really like that. So, we'll wrap most of that up. Now we'll try this one. Oh, it's quite firm. Oh, very firm. Wow. That seems to have come out quite interestingly. Nice cheese smell. None of the mould has got through. I've been wiping it down with a bit of brine every now and again, keep the mould under control. Let's try it. Now, I'm not sure if we should eat the rind. I don't think so. I'm just going to cut it off. Rufus can have the rind. Right, here we go. Fontina. Quite firm. I actually think it's aged correctly. Wait. That's nice. Very different to this one. Might be a little bit funkier, maybe. Not funky as in blue cheese, but it's unique taste.
Why is it sort of bordering on like a Greek feta?
Yeah, it is a bit, isn't it? Maybe it's just a style.
You know what I mean?
It's like a very hard feta.
Yes, that's what I mean.
Yeah. Oh, you silly dog. Right, so what do we think? Are we going to do the Fontina again? Probably not. It's a very nice cheese, as the camera person said. It's like a hard feta. But when we can make this, and it is so much nicer, I'm not going to make this. And that's not saying there's actually anything wrong with this one. It's just I think this one is so much nicer. But we will age this longer. We'll see how it goes in the vacuum pack for another couple of months. But this Wensleydale, you're right, Wallace and Gromit.
Rain continues across region. This Fontina is magnificent, Rufus. Turning now to the main news. But don't you worry, old friend. Wensleydale is the real prize. That's all from us.
Wensleydale is the cheese to make. That is just so good. I'll link back to where I made this particular cheese. As I said, I think we're just getting everything right now on the Wensleydale. But I think we're doing a cheddar next. And one of the nicest things about this, it makes the world's best cheese toasties. Melts beautifully. And it's just a magnificent cheese. If you want to see us make the cheddar next, remember, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. You guys enjoy life. I'm going to enjoy our cheese, as is Rufus. We'll catch you in the garden.